Hello everyone, this is Camille from Morfosoaps. Thanks for joining me with this unboxing video. As you can see, we have a huge box that we got from Wholesale Supplies Plus, and we will be unboxing this box together. This is the first time I do an unboxing video, so it's just interesting. I've seen many people doing it, so I decided let me try to do the same thing. So to get started, there's not much going on here, so I will bring in the item. For example, this is the kaolin clay. Our kaolin clay, we use it in all our soaps. We also use it in different other this is the white kaolin clay. We use it in different other bath and body products. The next big box here is the mango butter. I got the 5 pounds. So this mango butter we use in the formula for the shampoo, our shampoo bars. We use it also in some of the creams or the whipped body butter. And of course we have some fragrances, some colors, and let me remove the box. We have those new containers. These ones, they come with a lid. So the reason we got those ones, they're usually lotion containers, so you make lotion bars in them. It's the push-up lotion, but it's because it's big and it fits a lot. We got this one for our natural deodorant. So the containers that we currently have are really small, and some of the customers, they like to have a bigger amount of the deodorant, so we will be using those ones for deodorant. So we got a few of them. Now we have multiple colors, and they're all from Crafter's Choice. We have the neon yellow electric side powder. You can see the color. It's really flushy. Here we go. Okay, now I'm making a mess. The other, I'll show it just from the bottom of it without opening. The next one is because I don't have my gloves on, so I have to go wash. This is a neon pink hot plants powder. We have also the Pacific blue mica powder. This one. The Adobe orange, which we use a lot. And this is the mint green mica as well. What else? We have 2 of each. So Adobe orange, mint green, that's the name pink, and the Pacific blue. So these on the side. Now to the best part. This is my obsession, which is the fragrances. Let me just get the scissor. I like how they put them in those, so to protect the fragrance to not break during shipping. And these are the fragrances we got. First one is the Margarita Lime. This is the first time we will be trying this one. Freshly zested lemon. And then bergamot and mandarin. If you notice, they're all citrusy because we realized that we lack some of the citrus scent. So we ordered those 3. Each one is 16 ounce. Should be good for like a few batches of soap. And that's why we got them. And that's it. We have nothing else. So mango butter, white kaolin clay, some colors, fragrances, and the containers for the deodorant. And that's our unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed it. And until next time, I'll see you again, probably with a soap making video. Mostly we do soap making video, but sometimes from time to time we like to change and do something else. So take care of yourself, stay safe, and I'll see you again. Bye for now.